Alright guys, here we go again, this time from the 5 p.m. advisory, and the winds have picked up a little bit. We're expecting rain any minute now coming from over in that direction. Anyways, I'm just gonna be standing right here in the open. Whoa! You can kind of hear something from over there. Anyways, we really haven't gotten any rain in the past couple of hours. We really haven't gotten any rain. I'm gonna come back down here to the puddles again, just to show you. Again. Same amount of flooding that we did have. Still the same panoramic dark skies. Like I said, Doppler radar imagery saying something from over there any minute now. Here it comes. Here comes the rain. So the winds have picked up a little bit. I would have to say maybe sustained 5 miles an hour, gusts to 10 at max. So we haven't gotten anything true or blue yet. Like I said, I'm just gonna... And remember, I got a weatherproof jacket. Got a weatherproof jacket just in case we got this. And right now, like I said, here comes the strongest gusts of wind that we've had all day. We haven't really gotten any much wind, but I'm expecting that to change in about a couple of hours. So we're about to get the outer bands of this storm. They're only about an hour and a half away. We're expecting some rain from that area, and the winds have picked up. So that's our 6. Wait a second. Again, like I said, it's a 6 p.m. advisory. We'll see you at 7.